Hello, guys. Welcome back to a new episode of Tech It Simple. Today, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Fifth Third bank account. Keep watching the video till the end to log into your Fifth Third account. Firstly, open your Google search, type in Fifth Third Bank Login, and make a search. You're going to see the search results displayed on the screen. Tap on the first link shown on the page. It will take you to the login page of Fifth Third banking account. Enter your user ID and password associated with your Fifth Third banking account, and tap on Login. In case you don't remember your user ID and password, click on Forgot Login. This is how you can log into your Fifth Third banking account quickly and easily, just in a few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. Thank you so much for watching.